Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to unbox a phone I got off of eBay. It's going to be a Blackberry Torch. Let me see if I can find the other one real quick. Here's the other one I have. It doesn't work, so it's got a lot of clean parts on it. I bought this one for $6. So if I need parts, I can take it off of this one. And I still haven't cleaned my desk from the other video, so I'm going to clean it as soon as I get done with this video. So I'm going to go ahead and open this so you don't see my address and stuff on there. I buy all my phones from this one guy, so... Okay, so this has nothing on there. Alrighty, and this one is pretty clean compared to this one too, so. Oh, the slider's so much better. This one's really hard to slide up and down. That was nice and easy. So it looks like I won't be needing parts off of this one, so. We're going to be drop testing this one pretty soon. So stay tuned for that one. I guess we're going to do like an overlook, of this one, so I don't have to do a separate video on it. On the left side, you're going to have your micro USB charging port. Nothing on the bottom. On the back's not on, there we go. You have a shortcut key, your volume rockers, your 3.5mm headphone jack. On the top, you got your mute switch, or your mute button, and your lock key, as well as your speakerphone cutout. On the rear, you have your camera and flash. And on these, they have a really nice textured, kind of rubbery back. On the front, you got your touchscreen with your trackpad. Let's unlock it real quick. It's just like kind of like on the Blackberry Curves, the newer style ones. It's just pad. And you slide up, you got your full QWERTY keyboard. So that's pretty cool, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one. I might be doing more unboxing videos if you guys like this, because I do order a lot of phones, and I usually come in like a lot. So if you guys want me to start doing more unboxings, let me know, and we can start doing those.